Lately, our off-grid property has been getting a little bit out of control, and keeping up with all of this land takes a lot of work. So in today's video, we're checking out the LUBA 3 robot lawnmower to see if it can help us stay on top of the mowing around the homestead. If this thing works the way it's supposed to, it could be a game changer for keeping our property under control. So thank y'all for tuning in. Now let's get to work.
Alright, what it do, y'all? We back same day, a little bit later. We had some running around to do. Go check out that last video if you haven't seen it yet, where we started at. We trying to post a little more frequent. So anyway, what we finna do is handle some yard work, man. Throw this over here for now. The front wheel lifted. The robot tilted. It didn't like that.
Doesn't that have to be plugged in?
It does have to be plugged in. I'm gonna plug it in right there, but I'm gonna place it first. All right, so it'll be plugged up there on my outside socket. Go down, probably mount it up under there. We'll see. And then it'll live up under the trailer, out of the rain and all of that good stuff. So yeah, we're looking good. I know it's been a little while since we've been in the powerhouse. We got a few watt cycles that I'm about to move from over here to over there, and then I'm hooking these hump sinks back up and everything else. But I figured I'd just show y'all around. Be back when all of the technical updates are finished. We've come to the conclusion that we forgot what needed to happen, but not anymore with these big directions. We're gonna figure it out. And I'm gonna flip it over too, so y'all can see. There's also, for the LUBA 3 all-wheel drive by Motion, there's also a quick start guide to kind of help you learn your way around this bad boy. Going in the base. There you go. Wow. Alright. We good to go. Alright folks, the wife is saying she needs the RTK sensor. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up temporarily just right here. It's got a watertight connection, and see if we can get this thing moving. Alright.
It's undocking.
There's the undocking. Alright. I don't know if they can see that. Oh, I got stuff in the way. Give yourself some distance. The weed eater is gonna cut right up close. It's done. So what do you do next then? Tell it to go home? What did it say? Start mapping again?
Move it to a new lawn to start mapping.
You want to map the other one before we see that this one works? Yeah.
I'm just gonna map it and be done.
Start mapping a task area.
All right. So she mapping another area now, y'all, and that's around the RVs. So we're gonna see how that work out. So that's the second one mapped. We're not gonna do another one just yet, cause that over there is gonna end up being part of that. But we're gonna figure out now how to get the structures out of the mix. We're gonna try to hurry up before it starts raining again and map the, what did they call it?
The no-go zone.
The no-go zone.
Honestly,
I wanted to cut under there.
Oh, then we don't, then it just will do, it'll just see it as an obstacle.
You think so?
I think so. But over here, we don't want it to cut on the black at all.
Right, we want to cut that out. We want to cut
And
the
probably this
powerhouse out and the
Okay, well, let's start with that.
solar panels out. Are you on the right map though?
It's gonna go to the whatever area I'm on.
Oh, so do I need to try to cut around that cleanly so it knows not to go?
Not sure. I'm about to find out.
Man, that's thick.
Right there. Start.
So it's taking the right edge. Is that what it's doing?
You gotta draw a circle, a perimeter. About this
Boy,
part.
if it can get through that. Ooh-wee. Thunder, thunder. Damn. I don't think so. You want me to go grab the lawnmower and cut? It's heavy. Whew, that's serious right there, boy. Say, man, man, watch out, fool.
Don't worry about the wire all the way back. I'm gonna put it to where it don't cut that wire. I'm gonna just follow it around back to the house and then back here. $73 minutes
It's gonna take 73 minutes to do that part?
to do all of it.
How big is that?
3,111 square feet.
Damn, it's that much? And then what we gonna do, y'all, is we'll throw the screen recording up because we have another space that we need to map out, and it'll be easier. We doing it as we go, learning as we go. So when we were here last time, we just used it like a remote control car, started the mower blades up and did some stuff. The thing is cool, but more than anything, it works. So we don't have to work that hard. And the best thing about it is there's no boundary wires or complex RTK setups that you have to do. It uses tri-fusion positioning and 360 LiDAR plus a net RTK and dual AI cameras for smarter navigation. It can work in the daytime, in the nighttime, and in low lit areas up under stuff where the cameras can't see. It still figures it out. It's built to handle real off-grid terrain. It has all-wheel drive, and it can handle steep slopes. Long battery life, 1.25 acres, which we haven't really scratched the surface, so we still got to get into that. It has digital mapping, and it adjusts itself on the fly. It's designed to save time, fuel, because it's run off grid, and my manual labor, because I hate that. For what we have, rural land, a large amount of land, is perfect for it. But we need to try to see if we can get it to go from this area all the way to the front gate over there and knock out the front. All right, she's making a channel, y'all, just to connect the zones. Oh, start working. Oh, that boy on me. Look like he coming for me. Oh, sound like the blades are about to start, y'all. Oh, that's quiet. Damn, it's fast too. Damn. I have to run after this boy, man. No way. They went and hit that ant pile.
It did a nice clean line.
It did. It ended up with a clean line. It didn't look like it was doing a clean line. See how he speed up and slow down? Wonder why.
Because it's thinking the grass is lower than it is. And when it's low, it can go fast.
So it felt that it
But when
was...
it's not, it can't.
It moved fast, hurry up and slow down.
40 minutes remaining.
40 minutes remaining? All right, folks. It looks like we still gonna get some rain back there. It's late in the day. It's after 6, I think. So I still got some good sunshine from that direction, but we're gonna get up out of here because that's back there, that's coming for us, y'all. What up, y'all? We just pulled up. It's early morning. It's like 8 o'clock, 8:20. Man, we rolled up on the LUBA. We ain't been here in a few days and I see it working, so I'm finna get out and show y'all what's up. Look. That boy doing his thing. Look at the wheels. You can see the mud. Good morning, y'all. We finna do a few things to get the homestead online, get things rolling. Y'all already know the deal by now. Oscar to plug in the combing, but I got something else that's really dope. My guys over at Zoop sent us out some foldable solar panels. So
how many guys you got?
Huh?
How many guys you got over there?
I got a few guys over there. Them my people, man.
Okay.
If you don't know, then you just don't know. We're gonna set this thing up and then see how it works, and then we'll tell y'all about it later.
The LUBA has to be updated.
The LUBA has to be updated? Okay.
It says 13 minutes remaining.
Till it's finished today?
That's what it says.
That is definitely not true.
I mean, the time should start to get more accurate, though.
Yeah. We're gonna get these things laid out, and they're 450 watts, y'all. So that's more than the panels, my little panels that I had. I wanted to kind of cover the top of the Oscar a little bit. I guess I could push the Oscar under there.
Or you can just pull it back some.
Come this way. And then you got to twist it. So it's a small twist lock. There you go. And then that needs to be connected down there. Yeah, y'all, this is a cool little setup. That thing was easy. No, right there. You got your positive and your negative MC4s. There's nothing more you could do. That's it. It's charging. So y'all, the LUBA 3 is so dope. We appreciate y'all for sending that out, Memotion. Look, we need 2 more because I need to gift it to some people and let people in on how well this works. But I'm gonna go and ask the wife how she really feels about it. She in here soaking up all this AC, but we gonna see. Look, out here cutting grass. We gonna see what she think. Hey, what's up? What you think about the LUBA 3?
I like the LUBA, Mr. LUBA LUBA.
That's what she call it. That's what she call it in the app, y'all.
Totally bombastic. Totally fantastic. Oh, my mic's not on there.
All right. So anyway, we gonna Leave this one right here.
Wait, which one?
The video. We done.
All right.
Peace out, y'all. I hope y'all
I
enjoyed
had to
the
get
video.
somebody to cut the grass because, you know, the worker that I pay, he ain't. Now I
Anyway.
just need to find somebody that can wash the dishes.
Man,
I'll call him Mr. Lover Lover too.
we out. Like, subscribe, and all of that stuff.